Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about 8 pro tips to make sure your iPhone or Android device is not hacked. In the wake of the ever-looming threat of hacking, an additional layer of the shield has become indispensable. Any laxity in this regard is like inviting hackers to rob your phone with both hands. According to a report from leading accounting and consulting firm Grant Thornton, a massive 54% increase in data breaches came into light in 2019 as compared to 2018, and the number is set to go even higher in 2020 in the face of incessant cyber attacks. At a time where your pocket computer has got more data than your home, the sooner you double down on the security of the sensitive information, the better it is. Now, if you are wondering how to make sure your phone isn't hacked, I have got you covered with a detailed guide. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. Fortunately, shielding your phone against hacking is not a big deal. There are all sorts of ways you can keep the device along with your private information guarded. All you need to do to employ top-of-the-line safeguard is to take a few simple steps and make sure they remain intact. The very first layer of safeguard that you should enable is two-factor authentication or two-step verification. What makes it so reliable is the ability to keep your account protected even if someone has access to the passwords. When 2FA or two-step verification is enabled, you or for that matter anyone else must have to verify through a verification code to access the account. For better security, Apple allows users to verify access to the iCloud account via a trusted iDevice like iPhone or iPad. On your iOS device, head over to Settings app, then choose Profile and then select Password and Security. Now ensure that 2FA is enabled. On your Android device, go to Settings app, then tap on Google. Now tap on Manage your Google account and select Security. Under Signing into Google, tap two-step verification and make sure it is enabled. Another straightforward way you can stop your phone from falling prey to hackers is to set up an alphanumeric passcode. For those uninitiated, alphanumeric passcode is a combination of letters and numbers. The integration of letters, numbers, and even special characters makes them strong enough to keep the guessing at bay. Several studies have revealed that most people use simple or guessable passcodes like 1234 or 4321 to unlock their devices faster. While simple passcodes are pretty easy to handle and also hard to forget, they sort of open the gate of unauthorized access. When changing a passcode, look for the alphanumeric option and then set it up following the given instructions. Managing passwords doesn't have to be a hassle when some of the best password managers like 1Password and LastPass are always ready to do the heavy lifting for you. Apart from letting you create strong passwords, they can also let you fill usernames and credit card information into apps and websites with the needed security. Moreover, password managers also offer CloudSync to let you access your passwords across devices securely, and with the real-time notifications, they keep you alerted when a site you use has been compromised. In the backdrop of sensational iPhone thefts, Apple had to introduce a security feature called Find My iPhone in 2010 to prevent anyone from using a lost or stolen iPhone. When it is enabled, activation lock kicks in to make it mandatory to use Apple ID and password for the reactivation of the device. A few years later, Google also launched a similar feature for Android named Find My Device. They are both used to track the lost phone and erase the data remotely. So make sure this exceptionally helpful security feature is activated on your phone. On your iOS device, head into Settings app and choose Profile. Now tap on Find My. After that, select Find My iPhone and then turn on the toggle for it. On your Android device, go to Settings app and select Google. Now tap on Security and then select Find My Device and make sure its toggle is on. It's no secret that public Wi-Fi is prone to hacking. Therefore, avoid using it in the very first place. If you often have to deal with public Wi-Fi, be sure to use a VPN or virtual private network to safeguard your personal information while surfing the web. The VPN services that we have always found trustworthy in terms of offering the desired shield to the sensitive information and fast network are ExpressVPN, ProtonVPN, and NordVPN. Give them a try to keep your information away from the grip of the prying eyes. When using web browsers, enable incognito mode to prevent the apps from saving your personal information. You can find this setting right from inside a respective browser like Safari and Chrome. While there is no denying the fact that customization brings a ton of fun in making your stuff look stand out from the rest, you should, however, draw a line. Hackers make the best use of custom profiles that allow users to play unsupported games or get access to certain features that aren't available officially to sneak into a specific device. Hence, if you ever find something out of the box in the wild, be sure to check out its authenticity. In case you don't get much information about a certain profile, better stay away from it, as chances are pretty high that it may be part of a well-planned hacking strategy. Outdated apps are rather problematic. They tend to slow down the device and even eat into a lot of battery. Not just that, they are also more vulnerable to hacking. So if you have some apps that haven't got an official update for a while, get rid of them sooner than later. Most apps support facial and fingerprint unlock mechanism to prevent anyone from bumping into your personal information. Even better, there are several apps that work as walls to not only disguise their identity but also keep your personal data like photos, videos, and files protected. For enhanced security and universal accessibility, use cloud services like Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox to keep your data in the cloud. With bank-grade encryption, they keep the data safe and also offers secure sharing. For more than one reason, you should never miss any software update or security patch. Both iOS and Android, the two most popular operating systems with above 95% market share globally, frequently release software updates to fix bugs and also improve performance. That aside, they also close the loopholes that may be exploited for hacking. Thus, whenever a new software update hits your device, go for it at the earliest. Unlike before, Android OEMs have got way smarter and begun to release updates more timely than ever before. What's more, they have also gotten better in terms of releasing well-timed security patches. Once you have put all the above explained tips under your radar, your phone will stay guarded against unauthorized access. Above all, your million-dollar data, along with the secret codes, will also be under a solid layer of safeguard to take on the prying eyes. So long as you don't take anything for granted, you can expect your phone to be away from the reach of hackers. More often than not, it's the usual suspects like custom profiles and apps that are found to be the wrecker-in-chief, and that's all there is to it. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.